What's up everybody, it's Joe with J Blake Photo. Quick extra video this week. You know I love news, and this week it looks like we're going to be getting a Hero 10 Black. Well, we won't be getting the Hero 10 Black this week, but we got news about what the Hero 10 Black is going to look like. And you know, I'm here on the island of Maui and there are GoPros everywhere. I have a Hero 8 Black in my bag as we speak. I did not upgrade to the 9. And now we're hearing about a 10. So I wanted to come up here to Black Rock where people are jumping off with GoPros in their hands. And I wanted to ask them, what do you think about the Hero 10? What do you think about the GoPro you have now? And do you plan to upgrade?
The Hero 6, I do. I got it for my birthday and my sister and I share it. So we like take turns using it on and off. But so far so good. Oh my gosh. I feel like I would get it down the line. Like maybe wait until this one breaks, because right now it's serving me great. I actually like this strap. It floats and I can hold it. And I like this one just because it was a gift and I get to use it all the time and create memories, and it's awesome.
There's features on it I'm not fond of. Like in the water, sometimes it changes settings on me, which I don't lock it maybe, but to unlock it, to change it, to go do it. So like if I'm catching people surfing, the water sensation on the touchscreen sometimes changes the setting as I'm trying to get it, and I never know what I'm gonna get in the result.
I like it. I had a 4, the 4 Black, no, yeah, the 4 Black, that was my favorite. I think that's the best GoPro that's ever come out. The auto, the auto stabilization? I love that feature. I'm a big mountain biker, great for it. But I think they're releasing too many new ones too fast. No, it's not worth it. What they're charging especially. I love skiing with it, mountain biking, just capturing things that I can't get with my regular DSLR.
So according to the leaks that we have, number one, it's going to have a larger 23 megapixel sensor. And of course, as they keep growing the sensor bigger and bigger, you're going to get higher resolution stills and options for higher resolution video. So it looks like you're going to have 5.3K at 60 frames per second and 4K at 120 with a 2.7K option at 240 frames per second. The other advantage of the larger sensor is you can do more in the kind of image stabilization side of things. So you end up getting a new Hypersmooth version 4 that I'm sure will be even more incredible compared to what you get out of the Hero 9 and Hypersmooth 3. But other than the spec upgrade, it doesn't look like we're getting any sort of an improvement of the exterior, no changes in the waterproofing, still 30 meters, no changes to the battery, no changes to the kind of card door that it has on the side, no changes to the screen in the front or the screen on the back. This seems pretty iterative in terms of the next step, but glad to see it from GoPro that they just keep on that cadence every year, increasing the quality of their product. From the renders that we've got of the 10, I don't know, it looks pretty legit to me. So let me know down in the comments if this is something that you're going to be getting. I have an 8. I've been using it here. It's been phenomenal. I would say that the increased image resolution for stills would be nice. I do like to take underwater stills of turtles and fish and all the fun stuff that I see. But other than that, I'm not really sure there's a whole lot in this camera that really kind of calls to me. So let me know down in the comments. Again, just a quick extra video this week. If you're into photography, videography, gear, drones, all that sort of stuff, go ahead and hit subscribe, hit the like button. And of course, I'm doing my challenge series. The first video will be coming out on Monday for one spot challenge to try and find one spot and take as many different types of compositions as you can. And my one spot is right here on Black Rock Beach. Also, if you're interested, I just posted a video about neurodivergency and the neurodiversity movement as it relates to me and my creativity. I'll go ahead and link that above and below. And yeah, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.